deep inside the heart of a wild jungle, where giant trees touch the sky and waterfalls roar through the forest. Something very unusual was happening. A large group of giant snakes and powerful cheetahs lived together peacefully, not as enemies but as friends. Every morning, the jungle came alive with movement. The cheetah ran across the wet grass at incredible speed, while the giant snakes slowly moved through the trees and rivers. At first glance, nobody would believe this friendship could exist. Cheetahs are fast hunters, snakes are silent and mysterious creatures. But in this jungle, everything was different. The cheetahs never attacked the snakes, and the snakes never showed fear. Instead, they played together every single day. Sometimes the cheetah would race through the jungle paths while the snakes followed beside them, sliding smoothly across the ground. Other times, the giant snakes climbed high into the trees while the cheetah jumped from rocks to rock below them. The jungle looked magical during sunset. Golden light passed through the giant trees and the sound of birds filled the air. One young cheetah loved to play with a giant green snake near the river. Every evening the cheetah would run a circle around the snake while the snake slowly wrapped around trees branches above the water. It looked like a game between best friends. During rainy days, the friendship became even stronger. Heavy rain fell across the jungle, turning the ground muddy and slippery. The cheetahs splashed through puddles while the snakes moved through the following water. Even during storm, they stayed close together. One night, a powerful thunderstorm hit the rainforest. Lightning flashed across the dark sky. The wind shook the trees violently. Many smaller animals ran away in the fear. But the snakes and cheetahs stayed together near a large cave beside the waterfall. The giant snake curled around the rocks while the cheetah rested beside them quietly. In that dangerous moment, the jungle friendship looked stronger than ever. When morning arrived, sunlight slowly returned to the rainforest. Mist floated between the trees and water dripped from every leaf. The cheetah began run again across the jungle trail. The snakes followed behind them through the wet grass. Together they explored every corner of the rainforest. Some days they climbed giant hill covered with thick vines. Other day they crossed deep rivers surrounded by giant bamboo forest. The snakes were excellent climbers. They could move silently through trees branches high above the ground. The cheetah were incredibly fast. They jumped across rocks and fallen trees with amazing speed. Even though they were very different animals, they trusted each other completely. One afternoon, the group discovered a hidden place deep inside the jungle behind a giant waterfall was glowing cave filled with blue crystal. The cave sparkled beautifully in the darkness. The snakes slowly explored the crystal walls while the cheetahs walked carefully through the shallow water inside the cave. Everything looked peaceful outside. The jungle continued to roar with life. Birds flew across the sky. Monkeys jumped between branches. Butterflies covered the colorful flower near the riverbank, and the middle of it fall. The stranger friendship between snakes and cheetah continued to grow. As time passed, the animal became like one giant family. Young cheetah learned to climb small trees by watching the snake move through the branches, and the snakes followed the cheetah through hidden jungle paths and open field. Every sunset became a moment of peace. The animals rested together near the river and waterfall while golden light covered the rainforest. Sometimes the cheetah rolled through the grass playfully while giant snake curled quietly beside them. The jungle no longer felt dangerous, it felt alive with friendship. One day the animal heard a strange sound deep in the forest. Branches snapped, birds suddenly flew into the sky. Sometime large was moving through the jump. The cheetahs stood alert immediately. The giant snake lifted their head carefully. A massive storm had knocked down several giant trees near the river. The path through the jungle was blocked. Without fear, the snakes began sliding between the fallen trees. The cheetah worked together to find safe path around the dangerous area. Slowly, step by step, the group crossed the damaged jungle safely. The moment showed the true power of teamwork and trusted. The jungle was full of danger, but together they were stronger. As night returned, the rainforest became quiet once again. Moonlight shined across the river and wet leaves. The giant snakes rested in the trees while the cheetah slept peacefully below. The sound of insects filled the air, waterfalls echoed through the darkness. And under the glowing moonlight, the unbelievable friendship between giant snakes and cheetah continued deep inside the endless jungle. A friendship built not on fear, but on a trust, peace, and survival together. In a world where most animals fight to survive, these creatures choose a different path, and that is what made their story truly unforgettable.